Hello, what's up YouTube? My name is Alex. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, for those of you may be wondering why I'm making this video today, it will take you guys step by step how you can transfer money from your bank account to your Binance wallet or to your Binance account. But before we continue with the video, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you comment on the video so that it will notify you for the second update if I upload any video on my account or in my channel. So this is how Binance apps looks like. Doesn't matter whether you're using an Android phone, whether you're using an iPhone phone, whether you're using a MacBook, whether you're using a tablet, or you're using any kind of gadget you're using, as long as it can access Binance. This is how Binance logos looks like. So I'll click on it, but when you click on it, this is the first page of Binance. When you just click on it, this is what appears on Binance when you open it. So you can see all these are stable coin. This is Binance coin, which is BNB. This is Binance coin. This is BTC, which is Bitcoin. This is ETH, which is Ethereum, stands for Ethereum. This is SOL, which stands for Solana. This is XRP. But when you keep on scrolling down here a little bit, this is where people post the trade they've made the day. They keep on updating us what's going on, the news. People post news, what's happening on the markets every day. So when you check at the bottom over here, when you check at the bottom over here, this is home, this is markets, this is trade. So trade, when you click on trade, actually where this is the place where after trading, maybe when you trade on spot, or you trade on, or you placed your trade on, or you be trading on futures wallet, it will always appears here on a trade after trading from here. This is what we call futures. You see over futures here, after trading from here, when you click over here, you'll get the trade is always this way. So when you click on futures, we can trade on futures and make some money also from futures. But that's not the reason why I'm making this video today. The reason why I'm making this video today, I'll take you guys step by step how you can transfer money from your bank account to your Binance wallet. So when you come and click on assets, this is how assets look like. When I come to overview, this is what I have. These are my coins. These are the coins I'm holding. These are the coins I'm holding right now. But when you click on spot, this is how it appears. When you click on funding, this is how it appears. But if I click on funding right now, this is the money I have on funding. When I click on futures, this is the money I have on futures. I have only 0.04 USDT. But we need to transfer money from our from our bank to our Binance wallet. So what I will do, you see when you click on home over down here at the bottom, you have to go up on the left hand corner up here. There are these three lines. It's 1, 2, 3. You click on it. When you click on it, it will bring something up like this. So when it brings up something like this, you have to look for P2P, where P2P is. So I have P2P over here. So what I'll do, I'll click on P2P. When we click on P2P, this is the first screen. We shall see what appears on our screen. So here there is buy and there is sell. So we are not selling, we are buying, which is called P2P, from person to person or peer to peer. So we have to be here, but we have to be very careful. Is it in USDT? I have to first select the amount, the payment. How do I want the payment? We have to select the payment always. Sorry, when you see always, you have to check always down here the amount of the money you want and the payment, how you want the person to transfer money to your Binance. So you have to come and click on it. Do you want all? You can select. I know most of you might be thinking, oh, I have these banks with me or this one with me, because my location right now, I'm in Oman. That's why you see Bank Muscat, Bank Soha, Bank Dofa, Arab Bank, Bank Transfer Middle East. As you can see, all this is appearing on my screen. Then over here on the left top corner, it's always, you have to select the currency you want in. So I'm in Oman, I'll use Oman Real, and the which is already here. For example, if I was in Uganda, I would just type UGX and it will bring for me Ugandan shillings. But since we are in Oman, I'm located in Oman right now, I'll use Oman currency because I need to be my money needs to be transferred in Oman currency. So the first one over here, you can see this person is called Amar. This is the amount of money he's having. His limits, the person the money he can give it to you or he can transfer for you. His limit is over here. It's over 40 real to 1,000 Oman real. So this is the available USDT he's having right now with him. But you always have to look for the exchange rate. Is it worth for this one? This one is 0.04. It's kind of a little bit. I cannot use this first one because the money I have, always have to use how much do you have in your bank account. But I don't have 40 real in my bank account. For example, maybe if I have like 10 real, 20 real, 15 real, so I'll look for the exact amount of money I want to transfer from my bank account to my Binance wallet. So we shall keep on scrolling down. We shall keep on scrolling. We shall keep on scrolling. You scroll down, you look for the amount of money you have. Make sure you look for the exact amount of money you want. So we shall keep on scrolling. I'll scroll. I got this person. But now this is from 10 real to 236 real. But the percentage up here is 93, which is not going to be enough for us. Like it's not worth it. But there's one over here, which is 18 real. But you can see over here it's 100%. But the money is only having some amount of money. So I'm not convinced with that. If you look at this person, this person is online. I'll click on it for the sake of the video. How much do we need? We need 10 real. So 10 real, you're receiving 25.39 USDT. So we have to select payment method. What are we using? Bank Soha or Bank Muscat? I'm using Bank Muscat. So after that, we shall place on a trade. We shall place the order. After placing the order, the same thing you have to first. You don't have to first come down here and transfer or notify the seller. So what I'll do, I'll first chat with the person. I'll chat with the person to make sure are they available to make the transfer go on. I'll wait for the person to come and reply me. Yeah, this is the person. They've replied me already. So if they reply me, what I'll do, you have to go to your bank account. You have to go to your bank account and transfer the money to them. So this you have to use mobile transfer. You have to use mobile transfer. So right now, you're not seeing what I'm doing, but I'm trying to transfer for him that money. I'm trying to transfer for him that 10 real. So you can see he's patiently waiting for me to transfer for him the money. So what I'll do, I'll transfer the money to him. So I'll use mobile transfer.
You guys are not seeing what I'm doing, but I'm transferring the money to this account, to this number exactly. I'm transferring the money to him, which is 97. I'm transferring the money to him. And I wish the money has gone to him. So we have to first do what you have to do. We have to first look for our... Sorry about that.
So what I'll do, I'll take a screenshot. I'll take a screenshot of what I was doing. And we say we use the photo. So we have sent for him. So we have to wait for him to transfer the money to our account or to our Binance. We have to wait patiently. We have to wait patiently for him to transfer the money back to our account. So we can go back as you're waiting for him, but now you have to come and wait for the orders here. The order is over here. You cannot wait for him so much. So the order is always up here. So you're waiting for the money to be. So as you can see, guys, up over here, we have already received the money. He has already sent the money to us. So what we have to just come and do, we have to come and give him, just have to put positive or negative. Okay, everything has gone off successfully. You have to just come and leave the comment and continue like that. It's not very hard. That's how you can transfer money from person to person. So when I check in my account or my USDT, we have the money. So we have to keep on going back. We have to keep on clicking. We have to keep on clicking and we go back. Do I have my money in my USDT? Do we have the money? So when you check over here, we have the money. Actually, the money is already here. I had some money, like $4 here, but now with that one, $25 we have received. This is the total amount of money we have over here. So all is that. There's nothing wrong with that. All is well. We have received the money. So that's the end of the video. So if you find the video useful for you, make sure you subscribe again. Thank you guys. See you in the next episode.